Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Tyshawn, aka coldlabz on social media. In the last video, we talked about making a stopwatch. Let's see what you guys came up with. But seeing that I can't see what you guys came up with, let's see what I can come up with. Okay, so the first thing I need you guys to do is to go to jsbin.com. Alright, open your HTML tab and your console. In the HTML section, let's go to where it says body, to hit enter. We're going to make a header 1, give the ID, and have it equal start. And inside of that, let's put the word start. And then close that H1 off. After that, let's make 2 headers that say H2. One ID is going to say stop, and inside of that is going to say stop. The next ID is going to say reset, and then let's make that save reset as well. And then we're going to do a paragraph. Let's make that ID equal number, and then inside that let's do 0. Afterwards, let's go to the JavaScript section. Let's type the word active. Active should be set to false. And then on the next line, let's write a variable, call it num. So num equals 0. After this, I created a couple of different variables, and all of them said document.getElement by ID. These elements are going to be called as I've written them in the HTML section. So start is going to be equal to document.getElement by ID start. Then the next one's going to be stop equals document.getElement by ID stop. The next one will be reset equals document.getElement by ID is reset, and P, we're going to use that as well, the same method. So number equals document.getElement by ID is number. After that, we want to go ahead and make event listener for 3 of them, not all 4, but we're going to use numbers so we can increment and actually update it on the page. So the very first one we're going to do is start. So let's do start.add event listener, mouse down, comma, function, and then inside of that we're going to put if active is equal to false, active is equal to true, then ticker equals set interval function num plus equals 1. Under that, number dot enter HTML equals num, then comma 1000. What this means to me is that if active is equal to false, we're going to actually turn it on. The ticker is going to count one number every 1 second, and then the number.enter HTML is going to write whatever the number is equal to. The next thing we want to do is stop.add event listener, mouse down. Just like above, we're going to do a function. And then this is going to say something slightly different. It's going to say if active is equal to true, clear interval ticker, and active is equal to false. So what that does is that the clear interval ticker stops the ticker which is inside of the start element from happening, so no longer will it keep ticking. It won't erase the numbers or anything related to the num or any of the wording, it's just going to stop it. And then active is equal to false. That way you can revert back to the start button when you want to press it. And then the last thing you want to do is do reset.add event listener. Mouse down, function, clear interval ticker, num equals 0, number.enter HTML equals 0, and active equals false. So what that says, if you hit the reset button, you're going to stop everything. You're going to reset everything. Then you're going to set the number back to 0 as it is on the HTML section of the page. And then after it's going to be equal to false, so you can start it back up when you're ready. So this is what I came up with for my ticker program. In the next video, we're going to be setting up the environment so we can get ready to start developing the game. I feel like you guys are ready now. See you around.